0405, July 17, 2025, right now marks 1,128 hours of progress in the Global Horror simulation. Currently, the Direct3D device has been initialized within the DirectX 12 project, and at this point, the most basic of the DirectX variables have been initialized, and it would also seem to be the case that after this point, the differences between DirectX 11 and DirectX 12 begin to show, as normally in DirectX 11, when creating the device, one would also create a device context, but upon looking into the DirectX 12 code more, it would appear that DirectX 12 does not have a device context, and in DirectX 11 the device context was used to issue draw commands, whereas with DirectX 11, draw commands are seemingly done by recording them to a command list, and then the command list is submitted to a command queue, and then the command queue is set to be executed, but that's only done when the GPU is ready to execute the commands. And so the intention going forward is to reread the section of the book with notes specific to DirectX 12, reread the beginning of Chapter 4, and continue through Chapter 4, whilst also adding on to this custom DirectX 12 rendering engine, which takes some code from the book, but also reorganizes it into a more simple to understand format, where the sequential order of things is more apparent, as this project uses just 3 files and everything is explicitly laid out in terms of the order in which it is needed, in order to make this as understandable as possible and easier to replicate. When starting a new project, one could just look at this project and know which order to do things in.